Risk management in trading. Here are some key concepts and strategies to consider when it comes to risk management in trading. Risk assessment. The first step in managing risk is to assess the risks associated with a trade. Traders should evaluate factors such as market volatility, liquidity, and their own trading experience and resources to determine the level of risk they are comfortable with. Stop-loss orders. Stop-loss orders are a type of order that automatically closes a position when a certain price is reached. This can help limit losses by preventing a trade from continuing to move against you. Traders should consider setting stop-loss orders for all their trades, and adjust the level of the stop-loss based on market conditions. Position sizing. Position sizing refers to the amount of capital that is allocated to a single trade. Traders should consider the level of risk associated with a trade and their overall portfolio, and adjust their position size accordingly. This can help ensure that losses from individual trades do not have a significant impact on their overall portfolio. Diversification. Diversification involves spreading your investments across different assets or markets. This can help reduce the overall level of risk in a portfolio, as losses in one area can be offset by gains in another. Traders should consider diversifying across asset classes, geographies, and investment strategies. Risk-reward ratio. The risk-reward ratio is the potential profit of a trade compared to the potential loss. Traders should aim for a risk-reward ratio of at least 1 to 2, meaning that the potential profit is at least twice the potential loss. This can help ensure that winning trades outweigh losing trades over the long term. Risk management tools. Many trading platforms offer risk management tools such as limit orders, stop-loss orders, and trailing stops. Traders should familiarize themselves with these tools and use them to manage their risks effectively. In conclusion, effective risk management is essential for successful trading. Thanks for watching.